So what's all the fuss about? The vagina, the port of entry, the fuzzy taco, the hoochie coochie, Miss Happy Flappy. The beaver, the toothless grin, the duckbill platypus, the vagina, the honeypot, the pussy, the vagina. I mean, what's the big deal, यार? हर औरत के पास होता है. From mummy to nani to Kantabai to every female actress, and believe it or not, every female politician. You know, हमारी society हमेशा से लड़कियों को जज करते आई हैं. उनके फेस पर, उनके फिगर पर, उनके पिछवाड़े के साइज पर. Okay, listen to this. You know what the latest is? How hot are you on the badgeometer? I'm serious. Okay, imagine this. एक मम्मी अपनी लाडली को तैयार कर रही है. बेटे लड़के वाले आते ही होंगे. ब्लीच कर लिया? हाँ मम्मी. और मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर? हाँ मम्मी. और वो दांत चमका लिया? हाँ माँ. और वो बेटा मुंह दिखाई के बाद वो दिखाई भी तो होगी ना. एक वजाइना की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रीटा बेबी. हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है एक वजाइना. हर औरत का इंटरनल ताजमहल होता है एक वजाइना. ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है एक वजाइना. हर लड़के का रोजी पिंक ख्वाब होता है एक वजाइना. ये ले बेटा, स्पेशल वाला घूंघट लाई हूँ उसके लिए. डिज़ाइनर है बाबा. तो मैक्स 10 और साल यही होने वाला है. लड़के वाले तो आते रहेंगे, लड़की को जज करते रहेंगे. जज करने के लिए नई चीज़ों की भी तो ज़रूरत होती है ना. लेकिन listen guys, jokes apart, there's so much you can do with your down under. I mean, wax it, tweeze it, laser it, that's all passé. You know what the new thing is? The new thing is to dye it. Ooh, hot pink. That's gonna be my Women's Day gift to Nani this year. Hot pink is so her thing. Or just hop aboard the Chamkao Andolan with vaginal bleaches and vaginal fairness creams. बाकी सब तो गोरा कर ही लेते हैं ना. Now our faces, our bodies and our vaginas can match Angelina Jolie's gori chamdi. Okay. Ladies, you gotta hear this. There's a G shot to enlarge your G spot. Let's be honest, girls. We have to do this, right? I mean, just think about it. Men with a compass, a map and a microscope still can't find our G spot. Think your vagina is boring? Like the guy you're sitting with. Vajazz it up, babe. अपने vagina को colorful gems के साथ करो bling up. Delhi guy, you're listening? Of course he's listening. Think your vagina is stressed? 2 words, babe. Vaginal rejuvenation. I'm not lying, it's a thing. It's like getting a vagisil. Never heard of vagisil? It's like a facial for your vagina. Or get a herb-infused steam bath for your vagina. So relaxing. But listen. Don't like hop aboard your kitchen counter and squat over adrak wali chai. Won't work. Trust me, I tried it. But you know what? इन सारे न्यू ट्रेंड्स के साथ अगर आपको अपना वुमनहुड सेलिब्रेट करना हो, go ahead babe, power to you. But please don't do it for पति परमेश्वर or your होने वाला सुहाग or your one night stand just for him to say, oh baby, you're beautiful. Oh, your vagina is so pretty. What the hell? And you know the height of what really pisses me off? When women go and get their vaginas repaired. Repaired, that's the word used. Just so that they can go and lose their virginity again. पागल कुत्ते ने काटा है क्या? Ever heard of a guy saying, oh bro, I'm gonna go get my dick repaired? What the hell? You wake up and smell the scam, ladies. Your vagina, your G-spot, your bush, it's yours. I mean, just leave the vagina alone. 99% of you can't even say it without cringing. Say it, na? If you have the balls, say it with me. Vagina.
Vagina.
Loud and proud, I can hear you. Say it.
Vagina.
Nice. Say it, feel it, love it, and leave it the fuck alone.